way.
Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Welcome to Easy Coding with BG. In the previous lecture we have discussed about HTML select boxes and HTML file select boxes and hidden controls. But today in this lecture we will discuss about HTML div tags. Basically what are the div tags and how we can use div tags in HTML. So let's start. Here I already inserted a header of div tag. So in this div tag we will insert a tag of div in this section. So first basically we will see why div tags are used in HTML. Basically div tags are used for making different types of pages, and let's say for example I have a website here in Google. So I just open any of website, like I write here PTV Sports. So I simply open this. So in this website you can see that there are different portions. It is a different portion. Let's say this is a navbar, it is a different portion, and it is a carousel in this website. You can move this, and here it's a different portion. It's so basically these are the div tags. These are this designing has been done by using div tags. You can see that this is a different design, this is a different design, and this is a different option. This is a different website. So you can see that how we can design different portions, and we can design different navbars and different carousels and different buttons by using div tags. So let's try an example of this div tag. So first we will just insert a div tag, and in this div tag I will uh, insert a header, horizontal header, and I will name this header, and I will insert another tag of header here, and I will name it, let's say, welcome to believers channel. Believers channel. And I will insert a tag of paragraph in this div tag, and in this div tag I will paste a dummy text. simply copy this dummy text and copy and paste it in the paragraph tag and save this. So and I will insert another tag, or like anchor tag. I will insert an anchor tag in this div tag, and in this anchor tag I will write, should I will just write here Google, and I will simply close this. And so just I will simply copy this, insert a break line tag here, insert another break line tag here. So I will just copy this div and paste it for the second time. So I will just change his name, I will just write here we will write here main content, and we will change its second header with the name like welcome to div element. I will write here welcome to div element, welcome to div element. So I will simply save this. So as I move back to my browser, so I will add some attributes in this div tag. So for this I will write here style is equal to border, and for border I will give it value 2 pixel and solid green. Color we will give it, let's say for example I will just simply save this, and as I move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that over first div is showing us in border form. This content is showing us in border form. As I write here, color orange, color orange. As I save this, and as I move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that all of my content has been converted to orange color. So you can see that if we change uh, so basically if we are working in a div tag, so all the elements and attributes which are inserted in a div tag uh, will be affected as I uh, as I as I change, or as I if if I do some changes, or add any attributes, so it will it will affected to our content which is inserted in our div tag. So you can see that the color, as I write here, color orange in a div tag, as I save this and refresh this, so all our content which is inside in this div tag has been affected and has been converted uh, to orange color. You can see that this content has been converted to orange color. Basically, the div tags are used for web development, and it is most important and it is most important topic, and many of the websites are developed many of the responsive websites are developed by the HTML by using div tags. So I will just add more styling in it. I just give it a line and right here center. So I will simply save this, and in the next div we will write here style is equal to border, and we will give it same value to this, and I will write here dotted, and we will give color it red. So as I save this, and I will move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that our next uh, div tag is showing us in a dotted border. So basically this is the div tag, and we can use this div tag to design our websites and to make our websites responsive and attractive. Basically most of the responsive and attractive websites have been designed are designed by using div tags. So you can see that how these div tags actually works in HTML. So I will just align this. It's also align this and align center. So you can add attributes and you can add more functionality in this div tag. Basically in CSS or Bootstrap, uh, uh, we can use div tags, and all the coding uh, is done in div tags. Basically in Bootstrap, we insert a section. First of all, we insert a section, and in section we insert a div class fluid, container fluid, and in this container fluid we insert different attributes like header, and all the coding and all the styling is done in by using class attributes. Let's uh, so so you can see that how the div tag has been used in most of the languages. In most of the languages, div tags is used, and div tags are basically used to make our websites responsive and attractive. So that's enough for today's lecture. So subscribe our YouTube channel Encoding with BG, and press the bell icon so you will never miss the updates. Thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.